Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm now from China. This is an onion. This is an egg. Today I will use these two ingredients to make a dish. Onion, scrambled eggs. We need to prepare 1 onion and 3 eggs. First, we need to cut off the top and the root of the onion. Then, cut the onion in the middle and divide it into 2 halves. Since this onion is relatively large, we only need to use half of it this time. Please remember the other half of the onion. It will appear in the next video. Cut the onion into shreds. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a little bit salt. Beat the eggs well. Next we turn on the power and pour the edible oil. When the oil temperature rises, we pour in the egg mixture and keep stir-frying. We take off the fried eggs and then pour edible oil into the pot again to start stir-frying the onion. A friendly reminder, be sure to turn on the range hood because stir-frying onions can really be quite pungent. After stir-frying the onion until it's cooked, we add the already fried eggs. Now let's start seasoning. 1 gram of salt and 0.5 grams of monosodium glutamate. Finally, we keep stir-frying and then the dish is ready. Okay, let me taste it. The dish looks maybe it's very simple, but the taste I think is very good. The eggs and the onion. Eggs with onion. It's very delicious and yummy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye!